How to fix WhatsApp voice messages problem. If you have been facing a problem to send WhatsApp voice messages, or if you're having problem receiving the voice messages, then I have a few fixes that you can apply to fix the problem. So let's get started. First thing that you want to do is open your WhatsApp and head over to your chat. Then you can try to hold on to this to send a voice message and see if that is sent or not. But if you're having trouble sending this, or WhatsApp does not let you to send the messages, then what you can do is first make sure your WhatsApp is up to date. Head over to your Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Once you search for it, just go ahead and tap on WhatsApp and make sure to update the app if you have not. Then what you can do is open your settings, scroll down and find your app settings. And once you find your app settings, you can just search for WhatsApp here and just scroll all the way to the bottom until you see WhatsApp. So right here I have my WhatsApp, and here you want to just head over to your storage, clear all of the cache, and then head over to permissions and allow all of these permissions, because sometimes if you have not given the microphone permissions to WhatsApp, then you won't be able to send the voice messages. Make sure that your microphone permission is allowed, and then give your phone a quick restart and try to send the voice message again. Doing this will fix your problem, and then you should be good to go. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.